Hello guys, so today I want to quickly show you this website that you can use to make money online for free. So all you show my face on this video. So I will just quickly show you this website that you can use to make money online for free. So let us go to the website. So as you can see guys, this is the website. It's called Picoworker. So Picoworker is a freelancer platform, is a website that allows people like you and me to come and participate, like completing tasks, and we get paid for doing that. So all we do is to do what people are telling us to do, like go and subscribe to their YouTube channel, go and share their video, or go and download the application, go and take a survey for a like 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes. You will make up to $1, from 50 cents to $1, even to $4, depending on the price and depending on the task the person is asking you to do. So if let us just go around Picoworker. You can see on Picoworker, you can see the homepage. They have the business owners and they have the freelancer, which is people like me and you. The business owner, those are the people who is advertising on their platform. Yeah, I think those are the people who is advertising on Picoworker. And if you scroll down here, you can just read through to see what they are really doing. You can see say Picoworker is an online marketplace that connects freelancer around the world with business owners, business who need other people to help them to support their work and come to Picoworker. Here they can hire worker for easy and quick job. So yeah, people who want to grow their business, want to expand their business, want to complete a particular task, they could just come to Picoworker and set up that campaign. And once the campaign is running, people will click on the campaign and they complete that task. Once the task is complete, the business owners will now send the money to people like me and you. So we will now make money in that way. So yeah, if you scroll down here, you can just go through and see how everything work. And yeah, you don't need to go through this because I will show you how everything works. So yeah, let us just go and sign up because that is what you'll be focusing on. So to sign up is very simple. You need to click on the sign up button if you have not. So let us click on the sign up button. So click on the sign up button here and it will take you to this page. So once you click on it, this is the sign up form for a Picoworker. Here you are going to enter your nickname, you enter your Gmail account, you enter your password, you re-enter your password, you enter your nickname at the bottom here, and you select your country, and you can click I am a worker. You are going to be working on Picoworker, or you switch as I am an employer also. But what is good is that when you are on Picoworker already, you can switch between these two. The button will be at the top, which is what I will show you. So once you have filled out all those information, you have to click on sign up and they will send you an email. You click on that email to verify your account. So once you have verified your account, you are going to log in. So let us log into our account, assuming we have or you have already signed up. We have already created your account. So now let us go and sign up. So to sign up, which is to log in, you need to click on this login button. So click on it. So once he land you here to log into your account, here you are going to enter your Gmail account here and you are going to enter your password here, and you have to click on remember me if you want to. If you don't, if you know you are someone who used to forget your password, you can just click on remember me so that the password will be saved on your Google Chrome. Anytime you want to log in will just be automatically. So once you are done entering all those information, click on login. Once you click on login to open this dashboard, you can see here. So once Picoworker dashboard open, this is how it will look, and you will find in Picoworker logo, then task, then you have to see wallet, and you have to see switch to employer, which is what I told you. You can switch your account when you are on your worker account. You can switch it to employer account so that you can start creating job like people are creating for you to work and they pay you. You can still start paying people if you want them to do a task for you. So this is very, very helpful. So what you can do here is that how to start taking tasks like you work, people are paying you. You can see job jobs at the bottom here. You can see this section that say micro jobs. Here you can select the category of the job, the type of job you want to do. That is why I really like this Picoworker app. Sorry, I said app, website. And if you click on categories here, you can select any type of, like, a sign up form. If you want to do SEO, content writing, any type of things you wish to do. If it's video, you want to be watching video or go and be subscribing to people's channel. If you want to like people's Facebook page, you can do that just by clicking on the category of the type of task you are interested on. It will display at the bottom here, and you will just click on any one of the tasks, complete it, and you will see that once you are done, you will see a section where you can submit the task. You will now get paid. It's very simple. I don't need to go through that because I don't want to display the task of the person because it's personal, so I don't want to do that. Just by clicking on those tasks, and I will display their content. So I don't want to do that because there is a private is in private. So yeah, that is why I don't need to click on it. But if you want to do any task, just click on it here. So once you click on the task, it will open and you need to follow the process. Just read the requirement of what they are asking you to do. Once you are done doing that, you will see that this 12 cents will be sent into your account. You can see this task is 12 cents. So if you want to be receiving, like, if you want to be doing a higher amount task, you need to click on this section that say most recent. Once you click on that, you see this section that say highest paying. You can click on that, highest paying, and once you click on highest paying here, you will see it will pop up this highest paying services. So all you just need to do is to scroll down. You can see this is $1 service. All you just need to do is to go and participate and complete the task. You will be paid $1 for just doing that. So if you scroll down here again, just keep on scrolling down, you can see this task again. This one is $1 again. So let us keep on scrolling down. You can see 30 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, 14 cents. So it keeps on going. 80 cents, 30 cents, 27 cents. So it keeps on going like that. So you can just do all those tasks in a very simple. You can see this person is going to pay you $1.20, $1, and it keeps on going. So all those tasks are all available. So you can see a bunch of tasks you can do here, and you can get paid for just doing that. It's very simple. All you just need to do, complete the task and send them a screenshot of what you did, and they will approve you immediately, and that is how it works. And if you want to still take survey, if you are here, you want to take survey on this website, you see this section, you see paid surveys. Click on paid surveys. So it will pop up this page that you can see on the screen. So it will pop us all those surveys you can see. As you can see, they have currently right now 12 surveys that you can do, and you can see $1, 20 cents, 60 cents, 30 cents, 20, 40 something cents, 12 cents. So yeah, all you do, yeah, you can see just 11 minutes of your time, you will receive this money, which is 11 cents. Which is $1.37. So by just completing this survey. So that is how it works. If you click on offers here, this section you'll be able to install application and you get paid. So all you just need to do is to follow the instruction of what they tell you to do. Once you complete the task according to what they are asking you to do, you will get paid. So that is how it works. That is everything I need to talk about on this video. So other way again, there's one part I still like about this making money online with Picoworker is that you can refer people to this program. Before I go into referral, let me show you for the offers. You can see offers on this section. You can see that you can download those applications, use it, and you will get paid. You can see the amount you can get paid here. So you can see everything here. This is not just kind of crappy or scamming site. So it's a cool website that I've been using. So that is why I'm making this video, because I've used it. I don't just talk about things I've not used. I'm using it. That is why I'm talking about this website. So I hope that you people find it interesting. If you find it interesting, please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. That will really help me to understand what you enjoy on this video. So if you at the top here, you see at the top, you see a section that says referral. So you click on referral section here. On this section, you can get a referral link, and you can send out your referral link to your friends. And when your friend click on that referral link, you will get paid. So that is what I need to talk about. So you can see this is my referral link. So all I just need to do is to copy this referral link. Once I copy this referral link, I'll go and send it to anyone. You can see you will get 5%. You say you get paid from each deposit task. So once you refer anyone to this program, any deposit they do, you are going to be getting a share. You are going to be getting some cash. As you can see, I have referred two people to this program, and they are under me. And yeah, so I referred two people to this program. If you want to use my referral link, the link will be in the description below if you want. It's not compulsory, but if you want. So that is everything I need to talk about. I know you'll be wondering, I'll be talking about this website. Is it available worldwide? Yes, Picoworker is available worldwide, and I've never heard any bad news about Picoworker, like there's a country is not available. I think Picoworker is available in all countries. As long as your country is they are using internet, I don't know, is Picoworker is available. So that is what I need to talk about. And the other part again is how you can redeem your money. So you need to click on this section that say wallet at the top. You can see this section that say wallet. So when you click on that section, you will see it will be showing withdraw. I'll be showing it say withdrawal are processed within 10 business days of placing a request. So if you place any request of like let me say for example you have like $50 on your account and you click on withdraw, the payment will be sent to you within 10 business days, which is a business day which they exclude weekend. So there's no weekend. If it's 10 business days, which is going to be 2 weeks, the money is going to arrive within 2 weeks. So if I click on this section that say request withdraw, so if I click on that section there, you will see that it will pop up how you can receive your money. You can see airtime, Litecoin, you can see paper, and you can see stream, you can see upload. So that is how you can redeem your money. Those are the payment method that you can use to receive your money from this website, which is called Picoworker. I hope that I go around and I show you everything you need to know about Picoworker. And if you really find it interesting, please don't forget again to give me that like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with other video about affiliate marketing that I talked about last time, and yeah, I will come up with new things, and I come up with things that will really help you and still help me. So I talk about everything that I've used. So I've used this website, that is why I'm talking about it, and I hope that you find it interesting. And please leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll say thank you from here. I will see you soon on my other video.